Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya Talking Bot. Today's lesson is titled Edge AI, bringing AI intelligence directly to your devices. Imagine AI as a super smart brain. Usually, this brain lives far away in a giant data center. We call it the cloud. When your device needs AI help, it sends data all the way to that brain, waits for an answer, and then gets it back. Edge AI is like giving your device a miniature version of that smart brain right inside itself. So, instead of sending data away, your device can think and make smart decisions locally, right where the action is happening. For developers, this means your apps can be smarter, faster, and more private. Before Edge AI, almost all AI lived in the cloud. Think of the cloud as a massive, powerful supercomputer farm run by companies like Google or Amazon. When you used an AI feature, like translating text or identifying an object in a photo, your device would package up that data, send it over the internet to the cloud. The cloud's AI brain would process it, and then send the result back to your device. From a developer's perspective, you typically use an API, application programming interface, to send data to these cloud services and receive responses. It's like asking a librarian in a distant city to find a book for you. While powerful, relying solely on cloud AI has drawbacks. 1. Latency. Delay. Sending data back and forth takes time. For things like self-driving cars or real-time security, even a tiny delay can be critical. 2. Privacy. Your data leaves your device and travels to the cloud. For sensitive information, this can be a big privacy concern. 3. Bandwidth and cost. Constantly sending large amounts of data over the internet uses up your data plan and can be expensive for cloud providers. 4. Offline limitations. No internet? No AI. Your device becomes dumb without a connection. Developers face these challenges when designing applications that need real-time, private, or offline capabilities. Edge AI solves these problems by bringing the AI directly to your device. Instead of a distant supercomputer, your device gets its own specialized, smaller AI brain. This means the AI processing happens right there on your smartphone, smart camera, drone, or even a tiny sensor. Think of it like having a super smart personal assistant always by your side, ready to give instant advice without needing to call an expert far away. For developers, this opens up a whole new world of possibilities for creating autonomous, responsive, and secure applications. Here's the developer's secret. 1. Training. The big brain part. We still train the big AI model in the cloud, using powerful computers and lots of data. This is like teaching a brilliant student everything they need to know. 2. Optimization and deployment. Making it small and smart. Once trained, we don't send the entire supercomputer to your device. Instead, we compress and optimize that big brain into a smaller, more efficient version. This optimized model is then deployed, installed, directly onto your device. 3. Inference. The local decision. When your device needs to make an AI decision, it uses this optimized, local model to process data right there. This process of making a prediction or decision using a trained model is called inference. As a developer, you'll be working with tools and frameworks like TensorFlow Lite or PyTorch Mobile to convert and run these models efficiently on edge devices. Why should you, as a developer, care about Edge AI? 1. Blazing fast. Decisions happen instantly because there's no internet travel time. Think real-time object recognition or instant voice commands. 2. Privacy guardian. Your sensitive data, like your face for unlocking a phone, never leaves your device. keeping it private and secure. 3. Works anywhere. Asterisk no internet? No problem. Your AI-powered app still functions perfectly, whether you're in a subway or a remote area. 4. Cost-efficient. Asterisk less reliance on expensive cloud computing services means lower operational costs for your applications. These benefits allow you to build more robust, user-friendly, and secure experiences. You're probably already using Edge AI without even realizing it. Smartphones. Asterisk face unlock, portrait mode photos, blurring backgrounds, predictive text, and even some voice assistants process commands locally. Smart cameras, doorbells. Asterisk detecting people or packages and sending instant alerts without constantly streaming video to the cloud. Drones. Asterisk real-time obstacle avoidance and tracking subjects in flight. Wearables. Asterisk fitness trackers analyzing your heart rate or activity patterns on the device itself. Industrial sensors. Asterisk monitoring machinery for anomalies and predicting maintenance needs right on the factory floor. As a developer, these are just a few examples of the intelligent applications you can build by harnessing the power of Edge AI. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.